Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting up close and personal with the motorcycle that's generating a lot of buzz at the all-new 2024 Suzuki Inazuma 250cc. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this machine promises a smooth, powerful ride. So, buckle up, and let's take a look at what makes the Inazuma tick. Key features. Show B-roll footage of the Inazuma 250. First things first, let's talk about the heart of the beast, the engine. The Inazuma packs a punch with its fuel-injected, liquid-cooled 248cc engine. Now, that might not sound like much on paper, but for new riders or those who prioritize fuel efficiency, it's a sweet spot. This engine delivers enough power for confident city commutes and weekend getaways without guzzling gas. Speaking of fuel efficiency, Suzuki claims the Inazuma gets an impressive, insert mileage, kilometers per liter, making it a budget-friendly option for everyday riders. Performance. Show footage of the Inazuma on different terrains, say city streets, highways. Performance isn't just about power, though. The Inazuma's lightweight design and comfortable ergonomics make it a joy to handle. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising down the highway, the Inazuma feels balanced and responsive. Plus, the suspension system soaks up bumps and potholes with ease, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough roads. Design elements. Focus on close-up shots of the Inazuma's design. Now, let's talk about looks. The Inazuma isn't afraid to show off its sporty personality. The sharp lines, sleek headlight design, and muscular fuel tank give it a modern, aggressive aesthetic. It comes in mention color options to suit your personal style. While the design is undeniably cool, Suzuki hasn't forgotten about practicality. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read,